Hello, dear students. Good morning, all of you. I once again welcome all my dear students of Creative International School. I hope that you have watched yesterday's video, and in which I have completed half of the chapter of the Talkative Barber. So, we are going to continue from page number 102. Okay, so let's start it. Yesterday I have discussed that the nature of Babur, that he was very talkative, and once the Sultan called him to shave his hair, but according to his nature he started talking and talking, and when the Sultan got angry and he called him chatterer, then he was also furious and he said that you can meet his brother who are more talkative and he is the quiet one. And the the Sultan got so angry that he told his servants to give him 3 pieces of gold and leave the place, but he denied, and he told that I cannot go, you only ordered me to come, so I came here, so without doing my work I will not go. And when Sultan told him to okay, start doing it, he is getting late, then again he started making a story and he took half an hour. So the Sultan got more angry. So from there now you are going to continue. When he saw that the Sultan was really angry with him, the Barber said, "Oh master, do not be angry. I will begin to shave you." Then again when he saw that Sultan now is losing his temper and now he is going to get, he is getting on his nerves, then he is saying that, "Oh master, do not get angry, I will begin to shave you." बोले आप गुस्सा मत हो, मैं अभी शुरू कर देता हूँ आपके हेयर शेव करने के लिए. Saying this, he washed the Sultan's head and began to shave. और ये बोलने के बाद बाबर ने सुल्तान के हेड को वॉश किया और शेव करना शुरू कर दिया. But he had not touched him even 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily in this matter. Go on shaving me, speak no more," ordered the Sultan. Then again he stopped, and but he had not touched him even 4 times with the razor when he stopped and said, it means he has just started, then again he stopped and said, "My master, you are acting hastily in this manner. Go on shaving me, speak no more," ordered the Sultan. Then again he stopped and tried to talk, but Sultan ordered him that go on shaving me and I don't want you to speak anymore. Be patient, said the barber. Barber is saying कि be patient, मतलब शांति रखो. Perhaps you have not considered well what you were going to do. I wish you would tell me what this matter of great importance is all about, and then I will give you my opinion on it. Okay, so what he is saying that before the king told him that he has the matter of great importance, means he has to discuss some important things, that is why he is getting late now. So what the barber is asking, that be patient, I am doing my work, बट आई विश, काश आप मुझे आपकी बात जो थी मैटर ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस की, वो बताते तो शायद मैं आपकी हेल्प कर पाता. शायद मैं अपने ओपिनियंस दे पाता. फिनिश शेविंग एट वंस, द सुल्तान एक्सक्लेम्ड. नाउ द सुल्तान इज अगेन गेटिंग फ्यूरियस एंड सेइंग फिनिश शेविंग एट वंस, जल्दी से एक ही बार में शेविंग को फिनिश कर दो. But instead of doing this, the barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what time it was. Oh my God. So again what the barber did, barber left the Sultan half shaved. But instead of doing this, barber left the Sultan half shaved to go and see what the time it was. What he did, शेव अभी आधा ही हुआ था, उतने में वो टाइम देखने के लिए चला जाता है. एंड माई पेशेंस इज एग्जॉस्टेड, द सुल्तान क्राइड. नाउ सुल्तान क्राइड मतलब रोया नहीं, क्राइड मतलब it is a word for, it is a word also used for when the person is very angry. So the Sultan is saying कि my patience is exhausted. Can you believe that अगर हम उनकी जगह पे अगर हम होते तो हमें भी बहुत गुस्सा आता ना. If someone is we are getting late and someone is not doing his work and due to him we are getting late for some work, so he was also getting furious कि अब मेरा जो पेशेंस है वो ख़त्म हो चुका है, एग्जॉस्ट हो चुका है. Be calm, my master, and you shall be shaved in a moment, said the barber, and saying this, he continued shaving the sultan. Then again he came back after the seeing the time. फिर से वो शांत करने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि मास्टर, यू शैल बी सेव्ड, आपका मैं शेव कर दूंगा एक ही मोमेंट में, यू जस्ट काम डाउन, रिलैक्स. और फिर से उसने शेविंग करना स्टार्ट किया. बट वाइल ही वॉज डूइंग दिस ही कुड नॉट हेल्प टॉकिंग. If you could inform me what this important affair is. Then again he started his old cassette to know these important affairs. I would give more advice. What he is saying कि अगर आपने मुझे अपने important affairs के बारे में बताया होता तो शायद मैं आपको ज़्यादा एडवाइस दे पाता, शायद आपको कुछ काम भी आ जाती उसमें से एडवाइसेस मेरी. The Sultan was completely fed up by now and decided to satisfy the barber. अब वो इतना, जो सुल्तान था वो इतना फेडअप हो चुका था उसकी बातों से कि फाइनली ही डिसाइडेड कि भाई जो बार चाहता है उसे मैं सेटिस्फाई कर देता हूँ. सो उसने अपनी जो मैटर ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस, ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस थी वो बात बताई. He told him that he was giving a feast to some friends at noon, which was why he was in a hurry to leave. Then what he told now कि feast मतलब I can say किसी को पार्टी दी, हमारी लैंग्वेज में जो अभी हम यूज़ करते हैं. किसी को पुराने ज़माने में फीस्ट मतलब होता था सबको खाने पीने के लिए बहुत अच्छे पकवान बनाए जाते थे, वैरायटी ऑफ डिशेस, और उनकी फ्रेंड्स के लिए बनाई गई थी दोपहर में जो सब लोग आने वाले थे. एंड दैट्स वाई ही वॉज हरी. उसने बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स को इन्वाइट किया हुआ था खाने पे, इसलिए वो से जल्दी हो रही थी. When the barber heard the Sultan mention a feast, he exclaimed, "That reminds me. Yesterday I invited 4 or 5 friends to come to my house today, but I had quite forgotten it and I have not made any preparations for them." Okay, after listening to Sultan, he also, after listening, when the Sultan mentioned a feast, he exclaimed, then it reminds Barber of him that yesterday he has also invited 4 or 5 friends to come to his house today, but he has just forgotten and he had not made any preparations for them. So the Sultan, who was at the mercy of Barber, was ready to do anything to be rid of him. And Sultan was so much fed up of him, and he was up to whatever he wants, he was ready to do for him, so that he can complete his work and just go. Be quick and finish your work, the Sultan replied. सुल्तान बोलता है कि आप अपना वर्क जल्दी से फिनिश कर दीजिए. एंड यू शैल हैव ऑल द फूड दैट हैज़ बीन प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर मी टुडे. एंड व्हाट ही इज सेइंग दैट कि जितना भी खाना हमने बनाया है, जितना भी फूड प्रिपेयर हुआ है, आई विल गिव इट टू यू, बट यू कंप्लीट योर वर्क एंड जस्ट गो अवे. Please show me the food so that I may judge if it is enough for my 5 friends. Now what he is again saying that कि just show me the food. Is it okay for my, इतना हो जाएगा मेरे 5 friends को कि नहीं होगा? I have enough food for you, the Sultan exclaimed. Now the Sultan is saying कि I have so much food for you, so don't worry. But he ordered that all the food prepared for his feast be brought in. Then again the barber kept one more thing in front of the Sultan, that I just wanted to feast to be seen. मुझे देखना है कि फूड जो प्रिपेयर हुआ है वो लाया जाए. द बार्बर लुक्ड ओवर द फूड एंड सेड, तो बार्बर ने खाना खाने की तरफ देखा और कहा, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड बट आई शैल वांट सम फ्रूट फॉर द डिज़र्ट ऑल्सो. नाउ व्हाट ही इज what he is saying that okay, the food is good but I also want some dessert sweet. डेजर्ट में मुझे कुछ फ्रूट्स चाहिए. द सुल्तान इन डेस्परेशन, सिंस हिज हेड वॉज हाफ शेव्ड, ordered that the fruit should also be brought in. As the Sultan was in desperation, बहुत ही गुस्से में था, और he was just like what to do to get rid of him. Then he was just ready to do whatever he wants so that he just shave his head and just get lost from there. So he also ordered fruits also to be brought in by the servants. So the barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. This took up half an hour. Now what happened? The barber left off shaving the Sultan to examine each dish separately. अभी सुल्तान को जो शेव कर रहा था उसको छोड़ के, now what did he do? He started examining ईच डिश सेपरेटली, अलग अलग डिश को एग्जामिन करना स्टार्ट किया और वो करते करते हाफ एन आवर फिर चला गया. द सुल्तान स्टैम्प्ड हिज फीट इम्पेशेंटली बट द बाबर डिड नॉट हरी. सुल्तान गुस्से गुस्से में उसने अपना पैर को स्टैम्प किया, मतलब ज़ोर से ज़मीन पे मारा पैर को, बट फिर भी बार्बर को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा. ही डिड नॉट हरी, फिर भी उसने जल्दी नहीं की. At length, however, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, "I never knew that you were so generous." So, and is also really funny. What happened? After examining all the dishes, he again took a razor in his hand, but after a few minutes of shaving his head, he again stopped suddenly. And then what he is saying? I never knew that you were so generous. What he is saying? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि आप इतने दयालु हो, इतने महान हो, इतने जनरस हो. एंड अगेन ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग. सो दिस इज़ द एंड इज़ ऑल्सो रियली वेरी हिलेरियस. I hope you all also like the story like me. I do like very much the story. Okay, now students, now what we are going to do here is new words are given. So definitely chapter's name, the talkative hour, put the heading, put the date, day, and after that you are going to write the new words in your classwork. And I also want that you should learn and write new words. And then let's read section is there, that you are going to do it by your own. And I am also going to attach answer key, so don't worry. Then let's talk question answers again is given, then word building. This all exercise you are going to do it. I am giving you 2 days to complete your exercise, so don't worry that ma'am has given so much homework in 1 day. So chill and don't worry. I will give you 2 days to complete this work. New words, and then let's read, let's listen, let's talk, word building, then word fun. Okay, so these are the exercise part which we are going to do it in your homework. Okay dear students, we will meet you in the next lecture. Bye bye.